guys, welcome back to my channel, Basically Natural. So I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back and I'm here with another wash and go hair tutorial. I've already washed my hair, but if you guys would like to see me do a video on how I wash my hair, just leave a comment below and I'll be happy to record that for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So my hair is a little drier than I like for it to be, but that's okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair, and this video is gonna be a little different from my last wash and go, because with my last wash and go, I think it was my 12-minute wash and go. So with this one, I'm just gonna take my time, you guys, and do like my full length of how I style my hair when I'm not in a hurry. And if you guys check out my last video, you guys can see my hair growth, how much it's grown since my last video. So if you guys are interested in how to grow your hair naturally and fast, just leave another comment below and I'll be happy to make a video on what I do and give you guys some tips and tricks for that as well. Okay, so let's get started. My hair is a little dry. It dried out under that towel. And it's not really a towel, you guys. I don't use a towel to dry my hair because it creates a lot of frizz. It's a turby twist is what I use. Girl, if you're not using this, try it out. Get your life, girl. This will change it. So okay, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna spray this leave-in conditioner, and it is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Plus Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. Since my hair is dry and I am running low on this, but the good thing about this, you guys, is it does last a long time. I was down to here, and then right before I started filming this video, I just added some water because the product is so thick, you guys. It's some good stuff. So I just added some water and it'll last me about another few months or so. So I'm just spraying away, making sure my hair is nice and damp. I have been trying for months to find a little spray bottle. They usually have it at Walmart or at Target in a little travel size section. But since COVID, since this whole COVID pandemic hit, I have not been able to find any of those, you guys. Because I know, people have been making their own home versions of hand sanitizers back when they were sold out in stores and whatnot, and that's what they were putting those in. So we have hand sanitizer in the stores now. Y'all quit buying these water bottles for that. We need them. Us natural curly girls, we need them, okay? Okay, so it's almost getting there as far as how wet I like for it to be before I start adding my product. I'm just going to spray a little bit more. And like I said, it has leave-in conditioner on here, so you can really spray as much as you want. It's not going to do no harm. It's just going to moisturize your hair even more. So, and anyway, if I had the water bottle, the little spray bottle, all I do is put conditioner in it, a little bit of conditioner, and fill it up with water anyway. So this works. It's just not coming out. It's like a spritz, it's a mist. Whereas I want more hydration to come out, more water. But that's okay, you guys. I am almost there. I'm just gonna do a little bit more. See, it's not really, as you can see, it's a little damp, but it's not quite where I want it to be. And yes, you guys, I did get some color while I've been away. Just some highlights, and I asked her not to start at the roots, so it's more Like if you can see it, it starts right here. But I'm loving the color, and in the sun, it hits my curls just right, you guys. It makes my curls pop. Okay. So now I'm gonna add, let me show you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and add this leave-in conditioner. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, I think that's good right there. And it is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. Okay, apple cider vinegar is supposed to be really good for your hair. This product has no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no propylene glycol, no mineral oil. No animal testing was done on this product, and it has no petroleum, so it is really good for your hair. Um, and you know, it's basically natural. So hey, so that's about how much I put for the first go around, how much I put in my hands. But you guys, that only basically covered the top part. So now I'm just gonna get some more, about that much. And like I said, it's nothing but some leave-in conditioner, so you can be generous with this. My hair needs the extra love, because I added some heat to it a few weeks ago. So I don't have heat damage, I don't think. We'll find out once my hair dries. But it just needs some extra love because I mistreated it and added some heat. And you know, I don't do heat often. I think I mentioned this in my other video. I only straighten my hair like once or twice a year. Okay, so we'll say about every 6 months. And that's it. Because I am not about that life. I am not trying to damage my hair. I've had heat damage before, and it ain't cute. Okay, when you start to try to wear your curly hair and you got a lot of heat damage, and some of your hair, like most of your hair, is curly, and then you have like this crazy straight piece in the front that you can't get to curl up. No, that ain't cute, y'all. It ain't cute. So that's my leave-in. And I used the lock method again. If you guys saw my last video on my wash and go tutorial, I did mention I used the lock method, so that was my leave-in. Now I'm going to use my oil, which in this case, this is what I'm going to use today. This is a new product for me. I have not tried it. Shh, it's my husband's. He has braids. I got this from his closet. But don't tell him that. But this is the Palmer's Olive Oil Formula with vitamin E, olive oil growth therapy for healthy hair and scalp. This has no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, and no gluten. And it says Jamaican black castor oil, 100% pure olive oil. Okay, so it sounds like it's right up my alley, basically natural. I like to use products with as little chemicals as possible. And for that, I'm sorry, y'all, I didn't show y'all how much I use. But I didn't put like a whole lot in there because all this does is weigh your hair down. But I am rubbing it. And it takes up my whole hand, basically. And I just go through and do the praying hands. Make sure I'm covering everything. And I need some more. And you guys, my hair is almost, it's not quite there, but it's almost back to its regular length. I'd say it's about halfway there, but we getting there. We getting there. It ain't gonna take too long. We are getting there. And at this point, if this is your first wash and go tutorial, I don't use the comb. So I use the comb to part my hair. and then I kind of combed it to lay it down, but then I sprayed it to rehydrate it and get that curl back, the curl pattern, because I'm not trying to get, you know, combed out curl pattern. Okay, so normally if I was in a hurry, this would be it, or I'd go on top of it with a with my Shea Moisture milk. But since it's Saturday today and I want this to last until work, until Monday, so what I'm gonna do next, you guys, is use my Eco Styler gel. I know the last time I made my wash and go video, I know I told you guys I don't use gel. But the reason I don't use gel is because it usually gets my hair, like my hair is extremely hard and crunchy. And I don't like that. Okay, I can have a little bit of crunch. I'm okay with that because then all you do is put some oil on it and scrunch the crunch. But your traditional gels usually has your hair thick and hard. And I ain't about that life. So I found the Eco Styler gel. I forgot what YouTube video I saw it on, but I have tried it, and it actually, my hair is still soft, and I like the results. So I'll still have the softness, but it will give my hair the what's the word I'm trying to use, you guys? The hold. It'll give my hair the hold that it needs to last, hopefully through the end of the week. So we shall see. And I ain't fancy with it, y'all. I don't do all that baby hair with stuff, you know, with the toothbrush or the little small brushes. I don't do all that. But nothing against people who do it. It's just I've never done it. Maybe one day I'll try it and just love it. But for now, I just really just gel it down. I don't try to, you know, swoop my baby hair or anything like that. To each his own. To each his own. But I am so glad, y'all. I cut my hair because it was summertime. I'd say I guess it was midsummer. So, you know, I was in a mood. I wanted something different, so I decided to cut my hair. And I thought it was cute, you know, the length that I had it. It was definitely easy to manage. But y'all, I ain't even gonna lie. Yo, girl is glad her hair is growing back. Cause it's getting cold out here. Okay. It is getting cold. And I live in Georgia, y'all. So I know some of you guys that live up north, you probably listen to me and you like, that is not cold. But to us, it gets cold down here. Okay, and I want to make sure. I don't think I got the back. Let me get just a little bit. Just to make sure. And I know with some, you know, natural girls, you have some that prefer the volume and some that don't. I'm okay with not having volume. I actually prefer mine a little more tamed. But as the days go by, yeah, I'm okay. If I have a little volume, I'm okay. But in the beginning, I don't want all that volume in the very beginning. Okay, so that is it, you guys. This is what it looks like once I'm done. Hold on, something got away. So let me do my praying hands right here. Clump them together. My products are in. So now what I'm gonna do is scrunch it, because I did stretch it out a lot with doing the praying hands. but at the same time, I don't do this a lot because I don't want to create frizz. Okay, just gonna do a little bit, enough to just let it know, hey, you're supposed to curl up. Okay, I'm liking that, you guys. I'm just gonna let it dry, and I will be back with the finishing results. But I'm liking what it looks like. Yep, it's cute. It's cute. I'm cute. Yeah, I like it for real though. Go ahead and lay that down. All right, you guys, that is it. I will be sure to post a picture once it dries. It is nighttime, so it'll be late. But I'll post a picture once it dries. And that is it, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you guys next week. Same time, same station. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. So my hair has been drying for about 3 hours now. It's dried in the front, but it's still a little damp in the back. But I'm getting ready to go to sleep. So it's about, I'd say maybe 80% dry. And this is what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. And to go to sleep, usually I'll put it in a pineapple. And then I will use my silk bonnet to go over it so that it doesn't get frizzy on the pillowcase. If you have a silk pillowcase, then you should be fine without a bonnet. But yeah, this is the finished result. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments.